Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make poster in Canva for beginners. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Canva account, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on create a design. In the search box, I want you to type in poster. After doing that, you can see the different dimensions that you can choose from. The two most popular dimensions would be 42 by 29.7 or 48 by 36 inches. You can select either one of these options. So we'll be selecting this option for example sake. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be provided with a blank canvas on which we'll be creating our poster. Now to get started, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Uploads, and from there you could select Upload Files, and you can select the images that you'd like to add to your poster. After doing that, I want you to tap on the canvas, and we are going to be selecting the background color that we'd like to use. So after doing that, you're going to tap on the color box. Then from here, you can scroll down and you can select any one of these colors. The one that I'll be using for this example will be one of the gradients. So let's say, for example, this one. As you can see right there, it does looks good. Then after doing that, I'm going to tap on elements from the top left hand corner. Then tap on the search elements right here. And all I want you to do now, you're going to type in frame. After typing in frame, you're going to tap on see all right where you see frames. And depending on the amount of persons or the way how you'd like to set up the photo. So let's say, for example, I'm creating a poster for an event that will have 3 presenters or 3 speakers. So I'm going to be adding 3 of these circles right here. So all I'll need to do is simply drag and place the circle. Then from there, I can tap on duplicate, and I'm going to tap on duplicate 2 times. So you can see it right there. So after it has been duplicated, I'll simply drag and place them here. Now it is time to add the photos. So all you'll need to do, you could go over to uploads and you could upload your photos, or we can use copyright free images. So I'll tap on elements once more. And then from here, I can type in, for example sake, woman. Then I'm going to be selecting photos. And these are some copyright free images that I'll be used for example sake. So you can simply drag and place the images in the circle. So all you'll need to do is simply drag and place the images, as you can see right here. And you can also adjust the images by tapping on them twice. Then you can adjust them to your liking. So let's say these 3 images right there. So they'll be our 3 presenters. Then from here, we're now going to add some text. So you'll go over, tap on text. Then from there, you can select the text style that you would like to use. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. I'll simply tap on add a heading. Then after doing that, I'm going to simply drag this up right here. And we'll type in simple answers just for example sake. So I'm going to be doing that. Then from there, I can change the font style if I want. All I'll need to do is select the text box. After you have selected the text box, you'll tap right where you see Canva Sans. Then from there, you can select the font style that you would like to use. So you can simply tap on the font style. Then you can also change the font size if you want, and you can also change the font color by tapping on the capital A. And if it is a case that you would like to add some effects, for example, if we were to tap on effects, if you would like to add an outline around the text, you could tap on outline, as you can see right there how it looks. And if it is a case that you would like to add background color, you can also do that. And if you would like the text to wrap around an image, you could do that by tapping on curve right here. You could wrap it around an image if you want. There are numerous options or effects that you can add to your text when it comes on to Canva. Now to add some minor details, so let's say for example you would like to add the date and so on. You can select a smaller text style. So we'll select this option right here, add a subheading. Then from there you can simply pull it down and you could type in your text right here that you would like to add. And if it is a case that you would like to also add another image, so let's say we would like to add a small image otherwise on one of these sections, for example, a microphone icon or so on, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on elements. Then from there, for example's sake, we could type in microphone icon and we'll tap right there. Then from there, you can tap on see all. After tapping on see all, you could scroll down until you have found one of your liking. So for example, let's say this one, just for example's sake, you could simply drag and place it. Then from there, you can minimize it and you can see right there. And I could add another text box right here. So I'll go over, tap on text, then tap on add a subheading. And from here, I'm going to simply type in main speaker, and you could type in whatever details you want. So you could type in main speaker right there, and then you could add in the main speaker name and so on. You can also add the date and so on if you want. After you're finished doing this, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, you would scroll down. You can tap on download. Then after doing that, you'll tap on download and you'll now be able to print your poster. If it is the case that you would like to use one of the pre-made templates on Canva, you can also do that. You will need to tap on add a page at the bottom right here. Then you could go over to the left hand menu option and tap on design. After doing that, for example, we could type in concert poster. So you'll see them right here, concert posters. Then you can see different templates that you can choose from. So for example's sake, let's say we were to use this poster. All you will need to do is tap on it. Then you can see the poster has been added. But keep in mind, any one of the posters that you have added and you see remove watermarks, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can choose from and edit for free. As you can see right here, I've added one that you can use for free. And all you'll need to do now is simply make some quick edits. So you could change the title and you can also change the date quite quickly, just like what I've shown you earlier. And by scrolling down, you can see there are numerous templates that you can choose from right here. And if it is not a music poster you're creating, you can simply type in the type of poster that you want to create. Or you could simply type in posters just generally. And then from there, you can scroll down and you can see the different poster templates that you can choose from. With Canva, it is quite easy, even as a complete beginner, to create a stunning looking poster with their platform. And as I said earlier, to edit it is quite easy, and to also save it, you'll simply tap on share and then download. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.